Hi everyone, now sunset. Tuesday in Angeles and we go with Shaira. We go to the Mavoki, it's a part of Mavalakat city market. I already installed license plate. 6 years I wait. My license plate. Okay, Shaira, let's go. We already in Mavoki near church, so noisy now. I will show to you, I walk around now. We want to buy foods here. Shaira will wait me because I will first take video. This is church. Children here play. You see here in the park. Here can buy street foods. Vegetable also. And another building is Barangay. Sapang Biabas. This is Barangay. Office of Barangay. And people always sit here. Many children, of course. This is Balakat tree, you see. I want to check what kind of street foods here. Yeah. Different street foods. This one. Japanese cake. Only 5 peso, 1 pieces. And this pineapple juice. Also foods. And here, what is this? It's fry foods. Also pineapple juice. So many fry. Coffee also, milk tea, coffee. Takoyaki. This is takoyaki. I don't know price, how much. Regular, special. What is takoyaki? How much 1 pieces? 10 peso. Okay, thank you. Coconut also here. Fresh coconut. I remember in Russia I checked coconut. It's 600 peso coconut. How much coconut here?
50, sir.
Only 50. I've been in Russia. Coconut 600 peso.
600.
One coconut 600. Here very cheap. Very shocked because I said in Russia 600 peso coconut. Here 50 peso only. Don't have street light. Shaira, let's go. You sit with dogs. So many dogs. You're not afraid with dog, Shaira? Not afraid? Wait, nighttime I'm always scared if I see dogs. Ah, it's potato. Hi. Children already finished school. This is a market. We always buy meat here. Meat, vegetable also. Cucumber, what you think? Good. Potato now good price also. You ask how much?
Sabi niya cucumber. Cucumber, magkano po? 100.
100? Ah, potato how much?
Yung patatas po.
Potatoes.
Yung patatas dar? 90.
Ah, already 90, before 80. Last week na 80 peso. Already 90. Need to buy more. Maybe. Different. But choice, not so much choice. In China, so many choice. In Russia, more choice. It's from China, this apple. Also from China. Take a look. This is-
Hi, dar. Yung carrots. Ano pa? Yung carrots po.
Two, how much? 250? Oh, expensive carrots. But why?
It's raining.
Ah, because raining season, rainy season. Okay. And ask how much?
Yung cabbage dar.
Cabbage, how much?
Cabbage po. Magkano po? 80.
80 peso 1 kilo, it's cabbage. One cabbage also need to buy.
One only?
No, one is enough, I think. We can buy more. This is 330. And now we're going to buy meat. Fish I already bought in Landers. This also salmon. 175 is salmon. Here also have salmon. Different fish have. But not so many choice. This where meat always busy. How many? One egg 8 peso, yes?
No, this one is 150. 105 only. 15 pieces already.
Hi. So 9 peso, 8 peso. Cheapest, the 7 peso cheapest, yes? Okay, good. This is dry fish also. Meat, Shaira? Meat? This is meat.
Dito magkano dito? Dito magkano? Magkano dito?
How much, Shaira? Huh?
270.
270. 1 kilo?
One and a half.
Okay. Now 6 p.m. Usually we go into this time because if we go to 7 p.m. it's already not so much foods here. Maybe meat not good quality, but that's why we go into 6 p.m. early. Shira like buy slippers, different slippers. Shira want to buy cheapest, simple. For walk maybe near home.
Nasa size niya.
It's okay your size, Shira, good.
Enough?
Yes, it's okay. Not need small, not need big. It's your size. Shira said for her better black. Okay. Any color, Shira. More important if good for you.
Yeah, I can walk this one.
Okay, no problem. Yes, you can dance. Good. And how much, Shira?
180.
180. Now 9 September discount day in Lazada. Maybe have discount. Oh, Shira will already use.
Eh, sila niya ako kasi Yan yung sa kanila. Bye.
Music everywhere here. Вот, Shira won't drink. Lychee. Oh, red.
What do you want? Like,
No, red tea, it's okay, we can try. But I think it's the same. Also popular in the Philippines. Sweet. No, I don't want sweet right now. Here always busy. People eat here. Okay, come back, Shira, to home. We're going to home. Thank you for watching. See you next video.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.